Hi, I'm going to be making a custom calendar using the calendar template and the calendar months. I'm going to start off by cutting the pieces I need and getting it all situated on my Grayson chalkboard. I have pressed down the calendar template. I'm going to use some white Chalkology paste. I initially get it on the board with a mini squeegee, and then I take that big 4-inch handled squeegee and just smear that paste across. I love using the big handled squeegee because it just covers a larger area and you can get through it so much faster. So once it's all completely covered, I'm just going to squeegee off the excess, making sure I got it all and there's no little spots that I may have missed. We're going to peel it back. Voila! There is a couple little smudge marks, but nothing that a little Q-tip can't fix. So I just kind of run it across. I get it a little damp and it just wipes right away. This chalk paste is so forgiving and it's really easy to correct any mistakes. And then now I'm going to blow dry just so I don't bump it and mess it up. And I'm going to cut the word January and also some fireworks for the new year. So I'm going to get that all ready. I am going to fuzz the word January a couple of times just because it is going to cover up a couple of those days and I don't want it to peel it up with it. So I'm chalking that again in white. You can use any color you want. We have tons available. Peel it up and voila. Now I'm going to put that cute little fireworks, which could also be used like 4th of July, or there's all kinds of fun stuff that coordinates with these calendars. And then I'm going to use our chalk marker. This is so cool because you can easily use a little paper towel with some water on it and just wipe it away each month without having to take the entire design off. It makes it so easy to customize this and keep it up all year round by just changing the date and what you put inside. Then I'm chalking New Year's, peel that up, and ta-da! Oh, I love it, isn't it so cute? I can't wait to use it this year. Thanks for watching.